Hey manifestors, it's Friday! Ow! What's up, what's up? I'm Lisa from Metamorfize.com. This is Stop, Drop, and Breathe every Friday at 1. However, I might be taking 2 weeks off to take a break. I need a breather myself. Actually, I'm going to be traveling, so stay tuned. I'll announce it if I am. Just keep that in mind. All right, so if you're joining me here for Stop, Drop, and Breathe, say what's up to me. Let me know who's here. I see somebody here on Facebook. Just give me an icon. You know, this week is all about fear as your guide. I've been talking about how to use fear as your guide, how to lean into fear but not feed into fear. So that's the big difference that we've been really looking at, you know, what's on the other side of fear. And so today we are going to breathe into expansion. You know, on the Next Level Manifestors board on Facebook, I asked, you know, if you're not in fear, what are you in? And a lot of people were like, I'm in love, in possibility, in grace, in expansion, in opportunity. I mean, it was so beautiful. So if how we breathe is how we live, let's breathe into all of those spaces within us and activate them and welcome them in, so that when fear comes up, that we know that fear is also those things, and that we can continue to breathe deep into the expansion. Just as contraction is there, expansion is always following. So, welcome. Hey, Berna, Gisela. What's up? What's up? Happy Friday. It's been a week, hasn't it? For me. So let's get started. You can get yourself into a comfortable position. Who's here on Instagram? What's up? I see you here. I just don't know who you are. All right, so the breath that I do is a connected breath. It's in and out through your mouth. So it's like an ocean wave, and it's just a really deep connected breath to get you fully dropping into your body, to activate all your cells and your tissues and wake up from the inside out, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to wake it up. So because we're dealing with fear, I have some beats coming, because you know what? Fear is a force. All right? So I want just everybody just to start to actually, we're going to build up the energy. So breathing in through your mouth and out through your mouth, and you're just rocking like you're just creating a vortex. Here, we're going strong in the beginning here today. Breathe it in, rock it out. Fear can come at you strong, so you have to create a container where you can handle it. Use your whole body. Yep, keep going. Bust through fear. You gotta match the energies in life sometimes. Push it away. Yes, pick it up. Let the energy rise, let the heat rise. Use your breath and push it out. Close your eyes. Imagine pushing out of the way anything that needs to be there. Swooshing, swooshing. Ah. it, get it, get it, get it. Ha, ha, ha. Sometimes we just need to push it out to expand and open up spaces. Ha. Ba, ba, ba. Punch, punch. Yes. Match it. Ha. Fear is a strong energy. Woo! Woo! Keep it going, tire it out. That's what it needs sometimes to get tired. All right, bring it down, slow it down. Now expanding. Breathing in, keep on breathing, feel the beat. It's your heartbeat. When you're feeling fear, your heart goes racing. That's how you know you're alive. Breathe into it. Okay, and just like our heartbeat teaches us where to go, you can follow the breath a little. So follow the beat, follow the breath. So we're gonna go. Stay with it. You can almost dance with it. Woo! Ow! Keep breathing. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Follow your breath. Close your eyes. Go in. Tongue out like a dog. It allows you to focus on the inhale as well as the exhale when you have your tongue out. Make it your own. Let's see your moves. Vogue it out. Chair dancing, that's what we do these days in the clubs. All you can do is chair dance. You're not allowed to get up and dance anymore. So here we go. Okay, straw breath. Ready? in. I'm feeling it in my fingers. I'm feeling it in my back. I'm breathing into it. Tension is there, but I know that it just represents something that wants to be released, unlocked, and maybe it is a little fear. Breathe into it, breathe in, stay with it. Your body wants to bring you back to equilibrium. Full body breath. Go in, go in. Turn your gaze up into your third eye with your eyes closed. I'm seeing purple, maybe because I've been into the purple zone lately. I'm wearing purple. I don't know. Just breathe in, see what you see, feel what you feel. Be a witness. Let your breath guide you just like fear guides you. Let your body move. Welcome in the new, releasing the old. Breathe in the new, breathe out the old. Yes, 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 yes. Be graceful with your movements. Pull them in, pull them in. Pull in your dreams, pull in your visions. Charge them up, charge them up. Ask fear, guide me. Fear, be my guide. Show me where to go. Illuminate my path. I'm not afraid. Lean in, don't feed in. Lean in. Energy in your life. Yes, you can. Yes, I can. Say it to yourself. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. That was the affirmation for the week. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Woo! Yes, I can. Yes, I will. Yes, I am. Watch me. Yes, I can. Yes, I will. Yes, I can. Watch me. Yes, I am. Yes, I can. Yes, I will. Watch me. Watch me. That's to all the people, and that's even to your own self-doubt. You're going to like tell it, watch me, because here I come. Because I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. There's nothing to fear about fear. It's such a powerful force to show you. It's like so amazing because it is so powerful. And it's so powerful you can't deny it being there. Unlike some of the more subtle ones, like your sneaky sabotage part of you, self-doubt, you know, those are sneaky ones. Those are the ones that are hard. Fear is like, bam, I'm afraid. And that's when you're like, yes, here we go. Next level. Fear is at the gateway. That's what I said on Tuesday Talk. Fear is the gateway to your next level. Fear is the gatekeeper to the expansion, the growth edge, and everything that you desire is through it. The only way to it is through it. Deep breath in. Slowing down your breath wherever you are and you're breathing, just breathing, closing your eyes, coming to stillness. Like an ocean wave, we're going to slow it down. Oh, I had another track here. What's happening? I'm going to go back. I know we're at 15 minutes. We're just going to slow it down for a minute. Let's take a deep breath in. Breathe into the places that feel tight. Breathe into places that you haven't said hello to in a while. And just slow it down. Come back to your breath and stillness. Just placing your hands on your heart, on your belly. Anywhere you need it. Mine is on my lap. expand in your chest. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for being here. We're just going to drop in for a few deep breaths as you set your intention for the weekend, for the week ahead. Stay tuned for next week's theme. It's going to be an awesome, powerful one. And I've got Breakthrough Breath on Tuesday, September 1st, 7 to 8 o'clock. If you like this, there's going to be a whole hour of breathing. It's going to be really powerful for releasing, rewiring, and resetting. So take a minute to just thank yourself for showing up here today. Thank you, body. Thank you, breath. Really breathe in love. Breathe in your new relationship with fear, that things don't have to be hard, but sometimes they just require a little effort. Breathe in love, faith, joy, and everything that is through the gateway to your next level. Through fear is everything that you desire. So just keep breathing every day. Take at least 3 breaths when you wake up and when you go to sleep. You can find me at Next Level Manifestors over on Facebook, Metamorfize.com. Sending you all love, abundance, health, wealth. Good vibes, good vibes. Happy manifesting. See you soon. Bye. Lisa out.